Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got the Smith Corona 1C model, flat top, standard typewriter on the bench, and it's got one of those weird things with the metal, certain metal parts. You get this coating on them right here. So this white powdery coating, which is actually, I scraped off a little right there, some residue right there, and it happens on certain metals with certain typewriters. So if you see that, it will scrape off there a little bit, like with a wire brush. But I'm going to try some lacquer thinner on that and see if that works. I know just cleaning these helps, but let's see. I've never really done this on camera, so I just thought I would try the lacquer thinner. Just hold down this bracket all the way down here. Oops, keep running into the camera. It's a brush. Yeah, it looks like it came off pretty good. And I'll hit it with the neutral oil. And finish it off with a little bit of air. That looks a lot better. Doesn't take much to get that off. I noticed in the back here, this whole rack had the same thing wrong with it. You can see the stuff on here, and it actually just scrapes off. It's all piled up underneath here. So watch this. I didn't scrape it all off. But if you run this margin slider down, you can see it. You can see it, the powder coming off right here. Watch it come off. It just peels off. All that powder, whatever that is, whatever that coating is. So it looks like most of it comes off with just a little bit. I can't look at the amount of that stuff that was under here. Just piles of it. So I think lacquer thinner worked for me here, up here. So just spray that down a little bit, run the thing on it, wipe it off a little. I have to do this to all the metal surfaces that have that. Hit it with the neutral, and back to normal again. So that's when we take care of that residue on the metal surfaces that get that weird stuff on them. Phoenix Typewriter, good day.